China, a nation celebrated for its engineering marvels, has achieved what once seemed impossible, moving ships over mountains. This extraordinary feat, which combines ancient ingenuity with cutting-edge technology, stands as a testament to human innovation and determination. From the Grand Canal, the world's longest artificial waterway, to the Three Gorges Ship Lift, the largest and most powerful ship lift on the planet, China has mastered the art of overcoming geographical barriers to revolutionize trade, transportation, and economic growth. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the history, engineering, and significance of these incredible systems. Discover how the ancient lock systems of the Grand Canal, built over 2,000 years ago, allowed ships to climb hills and traverse mountains, laying the groundwork for modern ship-lifting technologies, and how the Three Gorges Ship Lift, a modern engineering masterpiece, lifts vessels weighing up to 3,000 tons over 120 meters in just 40 minutes, while bypassing one of the largest dams in the world. China's geography is both a blessing and a challenge. The country is home to some of the world's most extensive river systems, including the Yangtze River and the Yellow River, which have been vital for trade and transportation for thousands of years. These rivers served as the lifeblood of ancient Chinese civilization, enabling the movement of goods like grain, silk, and tea across vast distances. The Yangtze, in particular, is the third longest river in the world, stretching over 6,300 kilometers and connecting the fertile plains of the east to the rugged mountains of the west. However, these waterways are often interrupted by towering mountain ranges, deep gorges, and other natural obstacles. For centuries, these barriers created a unique problem. How do you keep ships moving when there's a literal mountain in the way? Imagine a ship carrying tons of grain or silk, sailing smoothly along the Yangtze, only to come to a sudden halt at the foot of a massive cliff. The journey couldn't end there. Goods still needed to reach their destination. The solution, at least initially, was as cumbersome as it was inefficient. Ships would have to stop, unload their cargo, and transport it overland using carts, animals, or human labor. Once on the other side, the cargo would be reloaded onto another ship to continue its journey. This process was not only time-consuming and labor-intensive, but also incredibly costly. It slowed trade, limited economic growth, and left merchants and traders frustrated. But where there's a challenge, there's innovation. Chinese engineers, both ancient and modern, have devised ingenious solutions to overcome these natural barriers. From the Grand Canal, an ancient marvel that used lock systems to move ships over hills, to the Three Gorges Ship Lift, a modern engineering feat that lifts massive vessels over 120 meters in the air, China has mastered the art of moving ships over mountains. These solutions are more than just technical achievements. They are testaments to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. The Grand Canal, the longest artificial waterway in the world, is one of China's most remarkable achievements. Stretching over 1,700 kilometers, it connects the Yellow River in the north to the Yangtze River in the south, passing through mountains, valleys, and plains. This monumental project, often referred to as the Beijing-Hangzhou Grand Canal, is not just a feat of engineering, but also a testament to China's long history of innovation and ambition. Construction of the Grand Canal began as early as the 5th century BCE, during the Warring States period, when various Chinese states sought to improve transportation and trade. However, it was during the Sui dynasty that the canal was expanded and connected into a unified system. The Sui emperors, particularly Emperor Yang, envisioned the canal as a way to consolidate their empire, facilitate trade, and transport grain from the fertile south to the arid north. The project was massive in scale, involving millions of laborers and decades of work. The Grand Canal was more than just a waterway. It was a lifeline for the Chinese economy. By linking the agricultural heartlands of the south with the political and military centers of the north, it enabled the efficient movement of goods, people, and ideas. Grain, silk, tea, and other commodities flowed along the canal, supporting the growth of cities and the stability of the empire. It also played a crucial role in cultural exchange, as merchants, scholars, and travelers used the canal to traverse the country. Over the centuries, the canal was continuously maintained and improved by successive dynasties, including the Tang, Song, and Ming. Each era brought new innovations, such as improved lock systems and reinforced embankments, ensuring the canal remained functional despite natural wear and tear. Today, the Grand Canal stands as a symbol of China's enduring legacy of engineering and innovation. While modern transportation methods have reduced its economic importance, sections of the canal are still in use. and its historical significance is recognized globally. In 2014, it was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, cementing its place as one of humanity's greatest achievements. In the next chapter, we'll explore how the Grand Canal's ancient lock systems laid the groundwork for modern ship-lifting technologies, paving the way for even more ambitious projects like the Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift. Before we dive into how the Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift works, I want to hear from you. What's the most impressive engineering feat you've ever seen? Is it the Grand Canal, the Three Gorges Dam, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible mega projects and engineering marvels from around the world. Now, let's get back to the story. While the Grand Canal was a groundbreaking achievement, it was limited by the technology of its time. Fast forward to the 21st century, and China has taken ship transportation to new heights, literally, with the Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift. This modern engineering marvel represents the next leap in overcoming geographical barriers, combining cutting-edge technology with the lessons learned from centuries of canal engineering. The Three Gorges Dam, located on the Yangtze River in Hubei province, is the largest hydroelectric power station in the world. Completed in 2012, the dam is a symbol of China's modernization and engineering prowess. It generates clean energy, controls flooding, and improves navigation along the Yangtze River, one of the busiest and most important waterways in the world. However, the dam's massive structure created a new challenge: how to allow ships to bypass the dam and continue their journey upstream or downstream. Traditional lock systems, while effective, were too slow and inefficient for the volume of traffic on the Yangtze River. With thousands of ships carrying millions of tons of cargo each year, a faster and more efficient solution was needed. Enter the Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift, the largest and most powerful ship lift in the world. Standing at 120 meters tall, this engineering masterpiece can move vessels weighing up to 3,000 tons over the dam in just 40 minutes. To put that into perspective, traditional lock systems could take up to 4 hours to complete the same process. The ship lift operates like a giant elevator for ships. Here's how it works. 1. A ship enters a massive water-filled chamber at the base of the dam. 2. The chamber is sealed, and a system of counterweights and cables lifts it to the top of the dam. 3. Once at the top, the chamber is unsealed, and the ship continues its journey. This system is not only faster, but also more energy efficient, using less power than traditional lock systems. It's a perfect example of how modern engineering can build on ancient principles to solve contemporary challenges. Building the Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift was no small feat. Engineers faced numerous challenges, each requiring innovative solutions. The sheer size of the structure was daunting. Standing at 120 meters tall, it had to accommodate ships weighing up to 3,000 tons. Additionally, the dam is located in an earthquake-prone region, meaning the ship lift had to be designed to withstand seismic activity. Precision was also critical, as even the slightest miscalculation could lead to catastrophic failures when moving such massive loads. To address these challenges, engineers turned to advanced materials, cutting-edge technology, and meticulous planning. They used high-strength steel and reinforced concrete to ensure the structure's durability and stability. Computer simulations played a crucial role in testing the design under various conditions, from extreme weather to potential earthquakes. One of the most ingenious features of the ship lift is its sophisticated counterweight system. The counterweights balance the weight of the water-filled chamber, significantly reducing the energy required to lift it. This not only makes the system more efficient, but also ensures smooth and stable operation, even when handling the heaviest vessels. The ability to move ships over mountains has had a profound impact on China's economy and transportation network. The Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift has revolutionized transportation on the Yangtze River, one of the busiest waterways in the world. By enabling ships to bypass the dam quickly and efficiently, the ship lift has reduced transportation costs. Faster transit times mean lower fuel consumption and operational expenses. Increase the volume of goods transported. The ship lift can handle more ships in less time, boosting cargo capacity. Boosted trade and economic growth. Efficient transportation supports industries and businesses along the river, driving regional development. The Yangtze River is a vital artery for China's economy, carrying millions of tons of cargo each year. The ship lift ensures that this critical waterway remains open and efficient, supporting China's continued development. It's a testament to how engineering innovation can transform challenges into opportunities, shaping the future of transportation and trade. The Three Gorges Dam has faced significant criticism for its environmental and social impacts. The construction of the dam, one of the largest infrastructure projects in history, displaced over 1 million people, forcing communities to relocate and adapt to new environments. This mass displacement sparked debates about the social costs of such megaprojects. Ecologically, the dam has caused profound changes to the Yangtze River's ecosystem. The reservoir created by the dam submerged vast areas of land, leading to the loss of habitats for plants and animals. Additionally, the dam disrupted fish migration patterns, threatening the survival of species like the critically endangered Chinese paddlefish. These environmental impacts have raised concerns about the long-term health of the Yangtze River's biodiversity. However, the Chinese government has taken steps to mitigate these effects. Reforestation programs have been implemented to restore vegetation and reduce soil erosion around the reservoir. Fish ladders and other fish passage systems have been introduced to help migratory species navigate the dam. Efforts have also been made to improve the living conditions of displaced communities, including the construction of new towns and infrastructure. The Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift itself is relatively environmentally friendly. It uses less energy than traditional lock systems and helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions by making river transportation more efficient. By enabling ships to bypass the dam quickly, it minimizes fuel consumption and supports sustainable trade along the Yangtze River. From the ancient Grand Canal to the modern Three Gorges Dam Ship Lift, China's ability to move ships over mountains is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. These engineering marvels have not only transformed transportation, but also shaped the course of history, enabling trade, economic growth, and cultural exchange. As China continues to innovate, the world can only imagine what incredible feats it will achieve next. Whether through ancient canals or futuristic ship lifts, one thing is clear: when it comes to overcoming obstacles, China has always been ahead of the curve. These projects remind us that with creativity and perseverance, even the most daunting challenges can be conquered. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible megaprojects and engineering marvels from around the globe.